That's what they do. They go right through that little opening right there, right out to the river. It's on a river, St. John's River over here. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back, everybody, to Milo's new adventure. We just got out here at the boat ramp just a couple of minutes ago, kind of checking it out here. The parking lot is completely full, guys. We got a couple of boats here trying to put in, but that parking lot is completely full. We got here at a really good time. All of a sudden, there's like 3 big anthills here compared to like last time being here. And before I knew it, they were all over me. I do have spray in the car. I always try to keep prepared like that. So I docked all 3 of the anthills and myself. I must smell real good with all this bug spray on me. Okay, guys. Well, more in a little bit, guys. Kind of waiting for it all to break loose, which is going to look over here, guys. Let me pull that filter off of here. Guy trying to make it through, guys. Guy making it in, making it around. Bring it in, Big Daddy. Looks like a Yamaha. Bass boat over there. They're just about down. Looks like they're getting back in the truck there. Quite a lot of people there. Have fun, everybody. You're on out of here. Oh yeah. Bye-bye. See a lot of crazy things out here, guys, over the years, you know. People running under the docks with the Sea-Doos. I seen a Sea-Doo ran into a boat out here. Then I seen another boat hit another boat. Yeah, I have all that on the videos, guys. If you want to go back and check out the old videos there, it'll be in there. Anyway, these guys are out of here. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ah. Yeah, cool. Cool. Very cool. Might be looking for somebody. I used to have a big Honda 750. Loved that bike. I was in high school when I got it. Or my dad gave it to me, put it that way. I would have never been able to buy one, that's for sure. But anyway, loved that bike. Boy, the dean of students that one day. I know some of the things we did when we were young. and think back about it, it's like, boy, we did that stuff, you know? Tried to block off a sidewalk one day. I was going I was going into the back to pick up my sister of the school, and he was over there trying to block off the sidewalk, the dean of students, and I drove right by him, kept right on going. A motorcycle, you could get around it like that. It'd been a long day at school, and you know, I wanted to get home. All I wanted to do is drive around, pick up my sister, and drive back out. That's all. All right, bring it in, Big Daddy, bring it in. Bass Tracker coming in. Oh yeah. What would we do without our stuff? That's for sure. We got stuff to keep our stuff in, and then we have stuff for that to keep that stuff in. What would we do without our stuff? You know? I think they hear me over there. All right, here he goes, guys. Here he goes. See what happens here. He's in. He's got like a, what is that? Looks like a 60 Bass Tracker 660 motor on there. The guy's out with the trailer. The lady's got the boat there, handling the boat. The guy's going to go park the trailer. He'll be back here in a couple minutes. Yeah, the guy just made it back here, guys, so he'll be out of here in a couple minutes. I just put that filter back on again too. The sun is real bright 1 minute, guys, and it's dark the next, so it will fluctuate back and forth a little bit. So I'm not sure what he's up to there, but playing with the seats, I guess. Those are the ones that was over on the side over there for a long time. Yeah, he just flew in, hit the dock, and guy's gone to go get the trailer. Oh yeah. All right. A nice bass tracker right there. Have fun. Have fun out there.
At least we didn't fall in.
Nah, you did real good. You did good, man. Just the crazy stuff, you know. Have a good one out there.
You too.
Thank you. He's on out of here. Wow, they had some kind of tournament over here today, guys. So, see how it all turned out. Look down there, guys. Oh boy. Did you get him? Maybe next time, guys. I'm not going to go over there and bother their tournament and stuff because I think they're about done anyway over there. Just kind of talking and finishing up. Oh wow, look at that bike over there. Well, let's see if any boats come in over here. Here comes a boat now. Let's see what happens here. That's the river over there, guys. I don't know what you can see here because it's pretty dark. Let's see what happens here, guys. Here they come. They're coming up to this one. We'll go back this way a little bit so they can get to the ramp if they want. AR 240. Let's see what happens here, guys. Bring it in. Bring it in. I'll grab a hold of you if I can, if you want me to.
Thank you.
Oh, that's okay. No problem, guys. Help you out a little bit, you know. There you go. There you go. Got it? All right. Good deal, guys. Oh, no problem, no problem. Well, I guess we'll get going, I guess. Looks like the old finishing tournament's over. They made it over there.
Jeff!
That might have been a little wild there. Hey, man. Well, let's go. Let's get out of here. All right, next time, guys, my little new adventure, guys. We're out, guys, we're out.